So welcome to another lesson for Windows, and today we are going to look at the taskbar. In the earlier lesson we talked about the taskbar and we saw that it shows active programs, it shows time, it has a start button. This is a start button. Now today we are going to be specific about this taskbar. You want to apply settings on the taskbar, you right click on it. So when you right click, from the option box that appears we have properties. So when you click properties, it launches a dialog box. A dialog box is a window that contains command buttons like OK, cancel and apply. Anytime you're opening a program and you see it has OK, cancel and apply, that is an example of a dialog box. Now in this taskbar and start menu properties, you're going to apply settings on the taskbar. The first setting is locking the taskbar. If the taskbar is locked, currently it's not locked. Because it's not locked like that, we can be able to resize. Resizing the taskbar, you can position the cursor at the edge of that taskbar, then you drag. Using the left button, you drag like that. Now, you can change the position by dragging the taskbar from one position to another. You now realize my taskbar is at the top of the screen. You can move it to the left. You just click in the inside the empty space of the taskbar, then you drag it to another position. But when it is locked, when you lock, then you click on apply. You have to click on apply first for that setting to take effect. When you click on apply, this taskbar you can neither move or resize it. Now another setting is auto hide. When you activate auto hide, then you click on apply, you notice that the taskbar is not visible on the screen. This is because of this setting that hides the taskbar. But when you remove auto hide, when you remove that checkbox, when you uncheck the checkbox, then you apply, the taskbar is now visible. Now the third setting makes the icons that appear on the taskbar to appear smaller. Currently these are the icons on the taskbar, so we can change the settings, use smaller icons. When you apply, now you realize the taskbar icons appear smaller. If you prefer to use the large icons, you just uncheck that. When you click on apply, now you have larger icons on the taskbar. Now another way of changing the taskbar position on the screen is by taskbar's location on screen. Just change, you want it to appear on top, click on apply, the taskbar is appearing on top. Bottom, click on apply, the taskbar appears at the bottom of the screen. On the right side or left side, so it depends on how you on the position you want to the taskbar to appear. Now there is another setting on the taskbar where you can always combine. The always combine means if I've opened same programs, I've opened Microsoft Word, I've opened so if I open, so currently I have opened a document called Penda Health Limited. If I open another document, let me open Abel. Remember we said to open, you double click. You double click on an icon. Now you'll find that it has combined. Because of that setting, now the two documents have been combined. Unlike if you don't combine this, if you don't apply the setting to combine, never combine, for example, when you apply, now you'll find that those icons appear. Every icon appears individually on the screen. If I open another program, let's say I've opened another Excel document. So if I open same programs, those programs that are of the same, and I've said combine, always combine, you'll find that if it is Word, click on apply first, it has combined all the Word documents together. If I had opened more than one Excel document, it will combine them. But if you want them to view them each on its own, you'll just use the never combine button. Now the other day we talked about the notification area. We said this part on the right side of the taskbar we have the notification area. We can customize it by clicking on the customize button. Then you can choose what to be displayed on the notification area. For example, we have our network icon. If you don't want it to be appear there, you can hide. Click on OK after you have applied. You realize that the network icon is not displayed there. So click on customize. Again, look for the network icon. I want it to be displayed there. So show. Click on OK. If I want the sound icon to be displayed, just click on customize, then look for sound or the volume. So show icon. You will realize that now you can customize the notification area to suit your own needs. So make sure you do that practically so that you understand. Now moving on, I want us to open the calculator accessory. To open the calculator, in case you want to do some calculations, you click on start. You just type calc on the search box, click and type calc. So when you open calc, it will open the calculator accessory where you can add numbers to get the answer. This calculator, you can also change the view. Just click on view, change it to a scientific calculator. So this scientific calculator, you can do some scientific calculations like getting the sine or cosine of figures, the tangent. So make sure you can still change the calculator into a standard calculator. So that is how you use the calculator. Do it practically. Now moving on, I want us to discuss about a window. A window is a portion of the screen where a running program can be seen. To open a window, you can open any document, open any icon or any document. What is being displayed to you there is the window that you are looking at. So parts of a window, you can move a window from one place to another by dragging it. On parts of a window, the uppermost part is called the title bar. Then we have control buttons where you can close this window, you can maximize the window, you can minimize. We minimize so that we can be able to see other parts of the screen. Now, on this window, we also have the menu. This from home up to Foxit Reader, that is the menu of this window. We have our ruler. Some windows we usually display the ruler. This is the horizontal and this is the vertical ruler. We have the scroll bar. You can scroll to the top of the page or the bottom. At the bottom of every window, we usually have the status bar. This is referred to as the status bar. Now to move a window, as I said, you can drag using the left button. Just click on the title bar, then drag. To resize a window, you can drag, put the cursor at the edge, at the insertion points. They are called the insertion points. The edges of a window are referred to as the insertion points. Then you can drag to change the size of that window. So hope you enjoyed that lesson. We meet next time for more.